Please subscribe and click the hype and like button to get more content like this. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. Everything demonstrated in this video is strictly for educational purposes. To show you how to protect yourself, all demonstrations are performed in a controlled lab environment on our own testing devices. We never target real users, and using this knowledge to gain unauthorized access to actual people or systems is strictly illegal and unethical. In this demonstration, we'll use Shell GPT to create a Python script for vulnerability scanning in a Kali Linux environment. To begin, click on the terminal icon and launch the terminal. Once the terminal opens, type the following command: sgpt --chat scan --shell, and input the following prompt in double quotes. Create a Python script to run a fast nmap scan on google.com, and then execute vulnerability scanning using Nikto on google.com. This is the prompt we're providing to Shell GPT to generate and execute our vulnerability scanning script. This prompt instructs Shell GPT to generate a Python script that performs two actions. First, it runs a fast nmap scan on google.com, and second, it uses Nikto to perform a vulnerability scan on the same domain. Now, press enter. As you can see, Shell GPT will now generate a complete Python script to perform these tasks. After the script is generated, type a capital E and press enter to execute it. You will see that the nmap scan begins. After a short while, it will display the results. The output shows port 80 for TCP is open, which is commonly used for HTTP. Port 443 for TCP is open, typically used for HTTPS. Once the nmap scan is complete, Nikto will begin its vulnerability scan. You'll notice the output will show that the target IP address for google.com is 142.250.182.206, and the scan is running on port 80. The scan duration may be displayed as 3 hours, 2 minutes, and 46 seconds. As part of the scan, Nikto may reveal the following message: the X content type options header is not set. This could allow the user agent to render the content of the site in a different fashion from the declare MIME type. This indicates a potential security concern. As Nikto continues to scan, more data is being retrieved from the target. Please be patient. This may take some time. Now, we can see that Nikto may continue to identify additional findings. /news/news.mdb, uncommon header, except -ch found with contents, sec-CH, -UA, -arch, sec-CH, -UA, -bitness. This suggests that the site is disclosing user agent client hints, which may lead to privacy or fingerprinting vulnerabilities. Once you have reviewed the findings, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to stop the execution and exit the scan. And that concludes our demonstration. This is how you can use Shell GPT to generate and execute a Python script for running both nmap and Nikto scans as part of a web vulnerability assessment.